Salam, salam. This is Unity, and this is a Unity moment. So I'm gonna go live tonight. I want to show y'all what I have did this in the past. I have posted on my Etsy page, and it went very, very quick because I have so much wood, y'all. So much. I know I'm not gonna be able to use all this wood in my life. I'm always still getting wood cut. $10 bags. Each one gonna be different. Most of them gonna be matches. Some of them might be random pieces thrown in. Like, let me see. Like this might be, this is like one random. And I think it's a couple of more in here random. But each bag will be different. But majority of what y'all see here will be in those bags because I have multiple pieces of it. So like nappy. I was one of the first people to bring these out back in 2010. Have in the Karma. Have a lot of these. Have a lot of these. Got some unks. Shapes. Some butterflies. Like just random little pieces. You know, you got skates. And then it's big sizes, little sizes, just all kind of wood like these. And each pack, it's not really a number that's going to be in there, but they will be full, and y'all can create what y'all want to create with them. Send me a message on KUnity77 on IG. That's one of the main places I get my messages besides my email. Listing out on Etsy. The thing about it's on Etsy, the random packages will be $15. Go to the email or my Instagram and send me a message. They'll just be $15 with shipping. But on Etsy, they could be like $20. Random shapes. You could get creative, like put something like that, like that. Oh, that's cute. So I'll give myself an idea. I'm like that. You could even take this. This is one of my original cuts, y'all. So y'all get some of my original cuts. You could take that and put it like that. See the way I did this original cut? I wanted my comb to lean this way. So this is my original cut. You're not gonna see this cut nowhere. I'm the only one that I'm copyright owner of that cut. This cut right here. So a lot of my pieces I get cut. Some of them random. Y'all are seeing here. Got some of these. Some shapes like this. Just all kind of stuff. So like this, you'll get like a nail polish bottle. Just random stuff. So each pack will be a little different. Some things will be the same. Only doing 20 right now, and then as time go on, I'm gonna add more. Cause I used to sell wood pieces and a lot of supplies. And it went so fast, I couldn't keep up. And people was like, when you gonna release some more? When you gonna release some more? It's called random shapes. Most of them have matches. I make sure I put most of them matches. Some every now and then you might see one. Salam, salam.